Good afternoon. My name is Pierre Vey. I'm a research scientist at the French-German Research Institute in Saint-Louis, France. And I'm pleased to present you a model of our know-how in the field of electric gun. This is a very small-scale model, of course, which is used to demonstrate our know-how at this exhibition. But we've been working at ISL in the field of electromagnetic gun since 1987, and we've developed many laboratory demonstrators at ISL, and the ultimate goal of the electromagnetic gun is to have very large muzzle velocities which are much higher than conventional guns. So we are targeting muzzle velocities of about 2 kilometers per second to 3 kilometers per second, and we actually achieved a 3 kilometers per second firing at the ISL laboratory site. We have developed the first working prototype 20 years ago, so in 1997. And we've been using this prototype for many tests at the ISL laboratories. And now we are trying to leave the laboratory to go to the firing range to see how this electromagnetic gun can be used to fire real projectiles and to demonstrate the validity of the technology for real operational use of the electric gun. If you're speaking of an artillery gun with a caliber of 125 millimeter, with a 2 kilometers per second muzzle velocity, we could have a range of 200 kilometers, which is, of course, much larger than the 50 kilometers of a conventional artillery gun. At the laboratory, we are firing this kind of projectile, which are, of course, dummy projectiles. But at the firing range, we would like to fire this kind of projectile with a caliber of 60 millimeters, and we would like to instrument these projectiles to get the validity of the electronic components, just to see if they will survive the firing conditions. If this demonstrator at the firing range is developed and has good results as we expect, then the next step will be to transfer this know-how to the industry and to go for a more detailed and more powerful prototype in order to have, for example, an expected in-service date by 2040.